Now we are going to discuss about the role of weather predictions in electricity price forecasting beyond the day ahead horizon. Then we are going to discuss about the overview of our project. The main objective of our project is to forecast the electricity price based on our weather. The forecast of meteorology-driven factors such as intermittent renewable generation are commonly included in electricity price forecasting models. We introduce an autoregressive multivariate linear model with exogenous variables and LASSO for variable selection and regulation. Electricity prices fluctuate sustainability over time because the possibility to economically store electricity is limited. In our process, we can take the input as weather electricity price data set. After that, we can implement the different machine learning regression algorithm for forecasting the electricity price by using lasso regression and ridge regression. The experimental result shows that some error values such as mean absolute error, mean square error, and root mean square error. Furthermore, the forecasting horizon is shown to impact the choice of the regularization penalty that tends to increase at longer forecasting horizons. This is the overview of our project. This is the flow of our project. First, we are taken the input data set as electricity price data set. The data set was collected from some dataset repository like Kaggle, GitHub, and UCI repository. Then we can read our selected data by using pandas package. The selected data are carried out to pre-processing step. In this step we can check missing values. If we have any missing values, means we need to replace that missing values by zeros or non values. The purpose of checking missing values for avoid wrong prediction. Then label encoding. Here we convert the string into numeric integer value. The purpose of this is for machine readable. The pre-processed data are carried out to data splitting module. Here we can split the whole data set into test data and train data based on ratio. For example, 80:20, 70:10, like that. So the test data is used for prediction and train data is used for evaluation. Most of the data is present in train portion and smaller portion of the data is present in test. The splitter data are carried out to regression module. So in this module we can implement two different regression algorithms such as lasso regression and ridge regression. Then performance. Here we can estimate some performance metrics by using regression models such as error values like MAE, MSC, RMSC. The expansion of MAE, mean absolute error, mean square error, root mean square error. Then prediction. Here we can forecast or analyze the electricity price based on our dataset by using our regression algorithm. Then we can visualize our result in the form of graph. This is the flow of our project. Now we are going to discuss about the demo of our project. So this is the output. We are running our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. First we select the input by using pandas package. Here we are displayed some sample of input data set. So here we are displayed some sample of data from our data set. Then before checking missing values, here we can check any missing values is present in your dataset. The 0 indicates there is a no missing values. These are the columns which is present in our dataset. So the 1 indicates there is a 1 number of missing values is present in this particular corresponding column. So we need to replace that missing values by zeros. So after checking missing values, so all our column have no missing values. Then label encoding. So here we convert the string into numeric integer value. Data splitting. So here we are split the whole data set into test and train. This is the total number of data which is present in our data set. This is the total number of trained data. This is the total number of test data. Then machine learning, lasso regression and rich regression. So these are the error values which we can estimate by using lasso regression. These are the error values for ridge regression. Then final prediction, here we are predicting electricity price. So electricity price, in essence, these are the price values. Here we are displayed in the form of graph, as well as we can compare the graph both lasso regression and ridge regression. So this is the output of our project. Thank you.